So, since you was last here, the castle rail has been tacked in position, ready for welding. That forms the lower part of the sill. The engine is now back together. I've painted it up, I've ground the valves. It just needs the air filters putting back on, but it's filled with water, and I think now's as good a time as any to see if it'll start. So we'll give it a try. Got power. Right, the problem is here we're not getting enough choke. I can't pull the mechanism any. Possibly because I've put it together wrong. So it does run, but we've got a massive water leak down here. So I will investigate that, and then we'll have another go. So I've just been out for a spin. It is ticking over a bit fast, but it's holding the temperature. I've even had the old Webasto open, look. It's holding the temperature quite nicely. It's a very hot day. Must have been running 15 minutes now. Done about a mile. Give it some really hard driving, 5,000 revs, second gear, all that. And it's running.